Hello, today we will guide you through how to use Claude AI for business ideas. To begin, open your browser and search for Claude AI login. This is the quickest way to get to the platform if you do not already have it bookmarked. Once the search results appear, select the official Claude sign-in page so you can access your account. After that, sign into Claude. Make sure you are using the correct account so your chats, projects, and saved work are available. Once you are logged in, you will be taken into the Claude workspace, where you can start exploring ideas and building out your business plans. Next, look to the left side of the screen and click New Chat. This opens a fresh conversation and gives you a clean space to start working. Starting a new chat is helpful when you want Claude to focus on one business idea at a time without mixing it with previous prompts. Now you can begin typing your content. This is where you describe the business idea you want help with. For example, you might ask for help brainstorming a business concept, creating a name, outlining a target audience, or building a simple plan. The clearer your writing is, the better Claude can respond. In the message box, tell Claude exactly what you need. Try to be specific and direct. If you want business ideas, say what industry, audience, or goal you have in mind. If you want help creating content, planning services, or even generating visuals and other creative assets, explain that clearly. Specific prompts usually lead to more useful and practical results. You can also explore the side menu and click Projects, then choose New Project. This is useful if you want to organize your work in a more structured way. Projects can help keep related chats, ideas, and materials together, which is especially useful if you are developing a business idea over time. Another option in the side menu is Artifacts. Click there to view or work with outputs Claude creates in a more interactive format. This can be helpful when Claude generates structured content, drafts, or other materials you may want to review more closely. If your business involves coding, Claude can help with that as well. You can use it to generate code, review technical ideas, or support product building tasks. This can be especially useful for startup planning, website concepts, or simple app-related business ideas. Overall, Claude can support many parts of the business idea process in one place, from brainstorming to planning to technical support. Take your time. Be clear with your prompts and use each section of the platform to get the most helpful results.